Hey delightful, you're welcome back. In today's video I'm going to show you how to make authentic Nigerian Uziza soup, a rich and slightly spicy soup packed with flavor. I'll be using blended cocoyam and crayfish mix to get this perfect texture and deep taste for this soup. So if you love traditional Nigerian food, make sure to like this video, subscribe and turn on notification so you never miss any of our recipe. Okay, first we'll rinse and boil the cocoyam for 20 minutes on high heat until soft. This will serve as a thickener for this soup. Next, in a pot I add goat meat and beef. I'm using 1 kg of goat meat and beef. Then I will season with Maggi beef seasoning cube and 2 small size of yellow pepper for taste and heat. Then I add salt. I'll give it a good mix and let this cook for 15 minutes on low heat. So after 15 minutes, there's a little water that comes out of the meat, as you can see, but I will go ahead to add washed stockfish head and dry catfish to the pot, and I'll also add more water. Then allow this to cook for more 20 minutes until the meat is almost tender and well incorporated into the stock. The stock from the meat will give our soup a deep and rich flavor. Okay, so after a few minutes I quickly check on the meat. So at this point I will add washed periwinkle and prawn because I love the rich flavor it gives to this soup. Then I will stir and allow this to simmer for a few more minutes. Okay, so if you watch this video up to this point, please go ahead and hit the like button, subscribe, share and comment. And to all our subscribers and returning viewers, thank you so much. So while our proteins are cooking, I will go ahead to blend the crayfish along with some few yellow habanero pepper, and I will also add dry cayenne pepper and ogiri okpei or locust bean. Add a little water and blend. This combination enhances the traditional taste of this soup. Then set aside for later use. I add a little water to get all the crayfish mix, no room for waste. Okay, so at this point I will peel the boiled cocoyam and then blend with a little water to get a smooth paste. Then after blending I will transfer it into a bowl. This will make our soup rich. We will add it in the soup later. Okay, so at this time I will check on the protein. It's 90% cooked, so I will add our blended crayfish mix and then add palm oil for richness and flavor. Then I will also pour in the blended cocoyam paste. After pouring everything, I will stir everything together, then cover the lid and let it simmer for a few minutes. Cocoyam will melt into the soup and give it a creamy, thick texture. So now I've rinsed the uziza leaves I'll be using for this soup, so I will proceed to chop it finely and then keep it aside to add the soup later. Oh wow, look at that, it's coming together beautifully and the aroma is absolutely amazing. So at this time is to taste and adjust seasoning if necessary, but oh, might need a little salt, so I'll add and give it a good stir. Now is to add our chopped uziza leaf, then I will give it a good stir and let it cook for just 3 minutes. We don't want to overcook the leaf, so they keep their fresh peppery taste. Okay, then finally we gently add the smoked deboned mackerel fillet, then stir carefully to avoid breaking the fish. And finally our soup is ready. Dish into a bowl and serve hot with your favorite pounded yam, your fufu or eba. So thank you for watching. Bye.